In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make $515 per day on Facebook with one simple trick. So I really suggest you guys to watch this video till end because this is going to be a free training. Everything in this video, you can do it for free, so you don't need to invest any money. So I really suggest you guys to watch this video till end. And also, if you're new to my YouTube channel, guys, make sure to subscribe and press that notification bell so you can get notified when I upload new fresh video on how to make money online, so you don't want to miss that out, guys. So let's jump straight into this video, guys. So first thing that you want to do is you want to sign up for ClickBank. So I really suggest you guys for this method, ClickBank, because I'm going to show you guys specific product that we are going to promote. And also, if you don't know what is ClickBank, ClickBank is basically affiliate marketplace where you can find other people's products and promote them and earn huge commissions. So let's say one product costs $100. For 75% to 90% commission, you can earn from that $100, $75 to $90. So that is a really huge commission. So guys, if you don't have ClickBank account, it is really easy to create one. Right here, click on create account. And in few seconds, you can go into all of your information right here and click on continue, and you're going to be probably done. So make sure to create free ClickBank account. You don't need to pay for anything. You're going to make money with this platform. You don't need to spend any money. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to click on affiliate marketplace. So right here you can search for different categories that you want to promote. I'm going to show you guys specific product, how you can promote it and how you can get sales. But you can do, and you can use this method and promote any other product on ClickBank, any category. You can do whatever you want to. But the product that we are going to promote, just to show you guys an example before we jump straight into the product, you can see this product right here is the most popular product on ClickBank. It is basically around weight loss or something like that. And you can see on average per sale for this product, you can earn $67.89. So that is some of the examples. You can see this product right here, you can get up to 95% commission. So that's when you sell a product for $100, you can get commission of $95, which is really high. So you can see there are tons and tons of different products, but today we are going to promote something very different. Let's click right here and you can see this product right here called Super Affiliate System. So when I usually promote some products, I always like to check out how the product looks like. So you can go and click the link in the description. You can check out how this system looks like, how it works. So I really suggest you guys to check that out before you promote anything, because when you promote products, you want to be sure that it is going to be a great product. So you can see this product costs a lot of money. You can see $997. So you can see right here, and I have bought this product. I have checked it out. It is also, as I said, a great product. And you can see how it looks like when your customer signs up for free training. They're going to watch a live stream, and at the end of the live stream, they're going to pitch a product for $997. So if you get a sale for this product, you're going to earn on average $515. So that is a lot of money just from one sale. So this is a great way that you can make some money. Imagine if you get only one sale per day, you can earn $515 per day. So actually, if you want to make $550 per day, you need to get one sale per day. So that is 30 sales per month. That is around $15,000 just for getting 30 sales per month. That is really crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how you can promote actually this product on Facebook, because there is a great method, great way that you can use to promote this training. So right here you can see it says affiliate page. So let's click on that link right here. So here you can see this is a guy that owns this product, and he teaches around how this product looks like, how this product can make you some money. So you can see at the end right here, just a second guys, you can see he's talking about how you can promote the product. So just a second right here. So if you scroll down and search for Facebook, there are tons of different ways that you can use to promote this product, but we want to focus on Facebook because there is a great method to do copy and paste, and actually how you can get a lot of sales for this product. So right here he shows you guys how you can promote this product on Facebook, and you want to copy this link right here, and you can see how it looks like. So this is going to be something like our website. So you can see right here it says register for live training and learn how you can earn 6 figures side income working online. So you can see this is targeted to Facebook users, and when your customer clicks right here, you're going to put your affiliate link. I'm going to show you guys how that works, but you can see that when someone clicks on this link right here, when you put your affiliate link, you're going to send them to the offer that looks like this. They're going to sign up for free training, and if they buy the product, you can earn $515. So $515 per sale if you get one sale. So to show you guys that this landing page looks very nice, you can see some of the testimonials from the customers. I think that is really great to see. So there are tons of different testimonials, and you can see that you can use this as your website. So you don't need to pay some domain and hosting for website. You don't need to spend any money. You can try this method out for free and test it out if you like it. So if you like it, if you earn some money, then you can build your own website or whatever you actually want to do with this method. So how are we going to use this landing page to promote this product to get sales? We need to put right here on the button, you can see when someone clicks right here, it is going to direct link to the product, but this is not your affiliate link. So what you want to do is you want to create your own affiliate link for this product, and that is really easy to do. Just find Super Affiliate System. Just a second to show you guys again. E-business and e-marketing, click on that. And then click on right here, you can see Super Affiliate System. Click on promote, and when you have created your ClickBank account, you need to remember your ClickBank ID. So you want to remember your account nickname, so you want to enter that to create your special affiliate link. So when someone clicks on your affiliate link and they buy the product, you're going to earn commission. So enter your special affiliate link right here. Click on generate hop link. So you can use this hop link, and when someone clicks on that link, you're going to send them to the product. So you can see how it looks like. So it is a great landing page, and you want to go and change this affiliate link with your affiliate link, and you want to use this link right here. You want to send people to this landing page. So it is a really great method to make some money. I'm going to show you guys how you can use Facebook to promote this product. So let's copy this landing page link, And let's jump straight on Facebook. So here we are on Facebook, and what we want to do is we want to go on search and type in like make money online. So you can see this group right here, and you also want to select groups. This first group right here has around 50,000 members. So 50,000 members interested in how to make money online. Here you can see the second group has 61,000 members. So there is tons and tons of people that are interested in how to make money online. Here you can see this group right here, earn money online like a boss. So you can go and join. And again, this group right here has 105,000 members. So imagine how many people are interested in what you have to promote. So what you want to do is you want to join all of these groups, and you want to engage with them. You want to post and share your landing page, and you want to talk about that how you have found this system, how this works, and how you can actually go and make money doing basically affiliate marketing. So this program is around affiliate marketing, and you want to teach people about affiliate marketing. So what we want to do, you can also go and search for, let's say, money. So you can see there are tons of groups around money. So you can see earn money online. So let's click on, for example, on that one. So you can see there are tons of people talking about how you can make money online. They're sharing their affiliate links. So what you want to do is you want to stand out. You don't want to share directly your affiliate link. That is why we have this landing page. So what we want to do is we want to write something like, hey guys, if you haven't made any sales with affiliate marketing, I have found this great live stream that teach people how to make money online, and you want to post your landing page right here. So we can now go and post this on this Facebook group, and on some groups it is going to say like it needs some time to get approved. So you can see your post has been submitted and it is pending approval. So sometimes it is not going to get approved, sometimes it is going to get approved, sometimes they're not going to even go through this process of getting approved. So what I really suggest you guys is to join as many groups as you can, and you don't want actually to spam, because Facebook doesn't like spamming. So you want to gently share your landing page with affiliate link, and you're going to be basically okay, because you're not doing anything wrong. You're sharing your story, you're sharing your landing page. Sometimes Facebook doesn't like when you do direct linking to your affiliate page. So that is why you want to use this landing page right here. You don't want to send people directly to your affiliate link. You want to create this bridge page between affiliate link and your customer. So that is why I really suggest you guys to do this method, because it is legit and it actually works. So I have done this before. I have done it to sell my own courses. I have done it to sell affiliate marketing programs. So it really works, guys. So if you have any questions, guys, make sure to leave down below in the comment section. And also how you can join groups. Just to show you guys, make sure to click on groups and join as many as you can. So you want to join all of these groups, because, for example, if you join like 50 different groups, you can potentially reach 2 million people that are interested in how to make money online. So that is why I really suggest you guys to go and join all of these groups and try to promote your product. So guys, that would be it for today's video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button, and also make sure to like this video to support me for making this free content for you guys, how to make money online, how to make money on Facebook and more. So if you want to support me, the only thing that I'm asking you guys is to subscribe and to press that like button. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon and bye.